Hi, how are you today? This is my homework, lesson 10, American Tea Style. The first, true tea. True. True and true is 4. 10. Tyler's new song is in top 10. Talk. What are you talking about? Tiger. Tiny tiger takes a taxi to the town. Tiny tiger takes a taxi to the town. Ticket. Thomas got 10 tickets to Thailand tomorrow. 8. 8 and 2 is 10. What time is it? Cat. The cat is wearing a hat. Hot. It's boiling hot, isn't this? It's boiling hot, isn't this? Stop. We stopped to take a picture. We stopped to take a picture. And the T at the middle of the word. 13, 16, 17, contain, maintain, entertain, obtain, return, retake, retest, between, determine, Italian. And the second, flatty. Betty bought some butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought some better butter, and the better butter Betty bought was better than the bitter butter Betty bought before. Again, Betty bought some butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought some better butter, and the better butter Betty bought was better than the bitter butter Betty bought before. Aura, auru, auru, autumn, city, meadow, duty, water, item, Italy, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, Adigo, Turo. Okay, so I will finish my homework. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.